Understanding the idiom, moon about. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun to learn. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, moon about. Stick around to learn how you can use this expression to enhance your English communication. The phrase, moon about, refers to the act of moving around aimlessly or daydreaming without any particular purpose. It can also mean to spend time idly or to be lost in one's thoughts. It's often used to describe someone who is not focused and is mentally somewhere else. Have you ever wondered where this phrase comes from? Moon about is an idiom that draws a parallel with how the moon drifts across the sky. Just as the moon moves without an apparent goal, a person who is mooning about is drifting through the day without direction. Let's see how to use moon about in a sentence. After she lost her job, she just mooned about the house for days. He's been mooning about all morning, not sure what to do with his free time. These examples show how moon about can be used to describe someone's aimless behavior. It's important to know when to use this phrase. Moon about is typically used in a casual or informal context. You might use it to describe your own state of mind or someone else's behavior in a light-hearted way. And that's a wrap on moon about. We hope this video has helped clarify this whimsical phrase for you. Remember, learning idioms can be a fun way to enrich your vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Until our next video, keep practicing and don't just moon about, make every moment count.